Slime Nation, Slime Pack Nation. Hey y'all, what is up? I'm here with. Come on, man.
Hey man, Smooth Him 392 back with another banger. You know what time it is. Hey man, make sure y'all go run a subscription. Hold on, let me fix my hair. I got a Ray J challenge going. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to Shorty Girl. Slime Pack underscore. She tried to snap with me last time, but it's Slime Pack underscore 392. Make sure y'all go so y'all can enter into the free giveaway.
It's almost over with.
It's almost over with. Oh yeah. Hey, make sure you go tune in. Hey man, make sure y'all go get me to 500 subscribers. Smooth Hemi underscore 392. Yes, sir.
So you got something for him. You got something new for him.
So I do. I got something new. We gonna take a
So
little
you done
walk.
dropped your video first, so tell them to head over to your channel first and
Head
watch
over
the video.
to actually come out. Yeah, it's already out. When
So
y'all
by the
see this
time I
video,
drop mine, yours
by the
gonna
time
be
you
out.
see this video, my video is already dropped. So make sure y'all go run that up. Make sure y'all go check that out. Yes.
And also, I'm gonna put the link down below in the description.
I don't have a song in this song. What is new, baby?
This you?
This me. This me. It's not a hellcat. It's a scat.
It don't matter.
Nah,
What
but
you do?
everybody-
De-badged it? You
Hey, yeah,
de-badged it?
de-badged, yes. It makes it look so much cleaner. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, cause I don't got mine on the side.
Yeah, cause you got the wrap on.
Yeah. They wanted to put it on. I was like, nah, it don't flow with it.
Yeah. And it's still stopped, so it's just loud for no reason.
Rev it up for me.
Hey, somebody already got it up.
It's straight.
It's not.
It's straight.
It's straight.
It could be louder.
Listen, I'm not trying to do nothing crazy because I still want my warranty.
Right.
You
But
gonna leave it at that.
you already told them why you got this in your other video?
Yeah, so I was actually in a bad accident.
This fender flare on this side is inside the car.
Is it inside?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to leave the skirts on both sides on. Okay? I don't want to rip it off. This one I had no choice because it was held on right here.
Right.
It would have came off going down the road.
The car was totaled. I got the phone call on a Wednesday. That Friday, I went and picked up this baby. So,
That quick.
that fast. Everybody's like, because I was thinking about either putting an order in, waiting another 8 to 12 weeks, or just look high and low and trying to and believe Jesus. But we made it happen. So I actually went and picked this one up.
And you satisfied with this?
Yep,
But it's never gonna replace.
Listen, it's never gonna replace the smoke show. It's never gonna. It's never gonna replace Smokey. That's gonna be the name. It never replace Smokey, but this will suffice. But the reason it suffice, y'all know me.
Cut it off so we can hear you clearly.
Hey, hold on, I got you. But y'all know me. I had to stay with the red guts. It was the red guts for me. As long as I found another wide body with a red. Hold on, now you got the people all in the dirty car.
Hold on, I ain't gonna get the dirt. Got the red all inside.
Yes.
But no sunroof.
No sunroof.
You could add a sunroof if you want to.
But listen, I don't like the sunroof.
You don't?
For right now, I don't like it because my tent is lovely and I'm loving it.
But it's something special about like just seeing that vented up at the top.
You're right. But nah, it flows. I like it. It goes with the car.
What you got done to it? It ain't
Nothing.
Nothing done to the exhaust?
Nothing.
So if somebody somebody was to buy a Widebody Scatpack 2021, that's what it'll come sounding like.
Yep. Yep. It will come just like this. It's stock. Yep. So when you hear me, just know it's this is just a stock. Yes, it's stock. Trust me, I promise you. It's nothing crazy.
So y'all know we still out here at the Dodge dealership. Sam ain't.
Oh, my fault.
Sam ain't getting no business, so y'all need to come out here and buy something.
Hey, buy something. I'll sell you a t-shirt, a water bottle, something.
Listen, we got plenty of trucks out here.
Plenty of trucks, plenty of used vehicles.
Y'all got a Rebel over there, right?
Hold on. No. What is
there was a Rebel on it over there?
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
I thought you was talking about over there.
Nah.
But man, we still back. You know,
we got some basic charges.
I just gotta get my exercise in. That's all. A little tired. Hey man, the grind don't stop. Like Miss Goddamn say, grind don't stop. We up 7 days out of the week, 24/7, producing videos, going to work,
12 hours,
editing videos,
in work clothes.
Hold on, don't get the black socks.
I ain't got you. I ain't got
it. Okay.
Look at my red and blue socks. It got to match the Camel Suit logo.
But hey man, we still got some nice vehicles out here. So y'all come check me out. Crown Dodge Fayetteville. Y'all know it's your boy, your favorite man, Smooth Hemi _392. You can at me. You can DM me. You can email me. You can do whatever you need to do. Send a pigeon. Hey, we good. Is that an SRT8? Hold on. Hold on. I don't need. That's SRT8. Oh, somebody want an SRT8? Hold on now. Hey, I got it.
That's an S6T. Wow.
They didn't got me. What? They didn't fool me. I didn't been buffooned.
That's an S6T6.
Listen. I only got one contact in. That's what we gonna blame.
For how much? 27,000?
Yeah, that's.
Or is that the miles?
That's the miles.
I'm about to say.
Hey, shoot, I got a Jeep Renegade right there for you. I got a Jeep. What is that? A Jeep Cherokee, like the older model. I actually like them. I'm not gonna lie. Them is kind of nice.
But y'all, look at this slime color.
That slime.
The original slime color.
Of silence.
Cause they don't make this color no more. They stopped making this color in 2019.
Hold on, they got 5-inch tips. Hey, I have to go call some people for that.
Listen, y'all. This color bringing back old feelings, because this is where I bought my first Scat Pack from. This same color. It wasn't over here, you know, it's parked up front. This is brand new or used?
This is used. It only got.
See, wait a minute, watch this. This is what I be telling them whenever they leave them little bumper things on.
Look, all scratched up.
They leave them marks on there.
Hey man, safe man. Hey.
Oh no.
Hey.
Oh no. Drop videos of him and he don't even leave comments.
Oh man. We gonna do this. Hey.
Listen, y'all. I post clips up on Instagram. Tag him in it. He don't even repost it, leave a comment or nothing.
He about to go do it right now. Look.
Then did 3 videos with him.
No.
Yes.
All right. Tell the truth.
What's the truth?
I told you I need some help.
You know what? She got the right name, Slime Pack. Cause she in, go. Yeah. She can go through a doorknob, a drain, a valve still, up the trend of a Scat Pack.
Listen, man, you never told me when.
Whatever.
Listen.
You can come, man. Listen, man. Tell her. I go pick you up at 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. Then we're gonna do. Pull the grill out.
We're gonna pull the grill out. We're gonna cook right there.
Right there.
What you want, ribs? You want Italian sausage?
It's all in the freezer. Ready to go. Locked and loaded. You come to my house?
You know where I'm gonna be at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night?
Campbell soup.
About to leave here and go to work in a few.
Guess what? There's gonna be a video coming up soon. Slime Pack, Quicks Campbell.
Quicks Campbell. It's gonna go viral.
Ooh, that's going viral.
Boy.
Quick Campbell soup. And doing what? You ain't gonna leak it all. You ain't gonna leak it all.
Put it this way. She gonna ride. She gonna be a full-time YouTuber. Full-time. Ain't gonna live life to the fullest.
Right?
Pool parties in the Hamptons.
Really gonna be in Dubai with it.
Yeah.
Right.
Really gonna be in Dubai.
White sand and fish with different color stripes. Fish you don't eat.
Go ahead, shout it out, man.
Hey man, it's your boy Junior_392 Scatpack with another interaction video from Mercedes and Crown and Campbell Soup. Three's a crowd, four's too many.
You watched that video I just dropped today?
Hey, that thing's fire. Fire.
Tell Mercedes to pay me.
Mercedes need to pay you.
How much?
Whatever it is, I get 30%.
You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to slimepack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to slimepack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.